Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start fast. Check your MIUI and Google app version so you know what you're fixing and why. Next, free at least 200-500 MB of storage and close heavy background apps. Low storage often causes crashes. Once done, back up any critical app data to Google Drive or My Cloud so you can restore if needed. Now move to app-level fixes. These require no advanced tools, but will address corrupted data and permission conflicts that commonly trigger Google Keeps Stopping. You'll force stop the Google app, then clear cache and clear data from settings right arrow apps. This removes corrupted temporary files that cause crashes. Once cleared, uninstall Google app updates to revert to factory version, then reinstall updates from Play Store to get a clean build. Make sure app permissions for location, microphone, and storage are set correctly. Toggle them off and on to reset permission states. If you use a VPN or restricted background data, disable it temporarily and test the app behavior. You'll finish by updating MIUI to the latest stable build because system bugs can break Google services. If crashes persist, reboot into safe mode to isolate third-party app conflicts. If Google works there, uninstall recent apps. As a stronger step, wipe the system cache partition or, only if necessary, perform a factory reset after backing up. If none of this helps, log error messages and try signing in with a different Google account. If the problem remains, contact Xiaomi or Google support with collected log.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.